In this session, we are discussing GSP standard action tag. Action tag. So, what is a GSP standard action tag? Before it, we have already discussed GSP directives. So, what is the difference between action tag and directives? Actually, directives are the instruction at the time of translation to the GSP engine. Directives is also instruction, but these are instruction provided at the time of translation. GSP action tag is a GSP standard action tag is a also instruction, but these are instruction can be provided at runtime. So GSP standard action tag is a instruction which is provided to the runtime. So there are a lot of GSP provided action tag. The first of all, we are discussing GSP standard action tag use bin. So what is the standard tag? Is the use bin. So how we can use GSP action tag? If you want to use the GSP directives, to use the directive, how we can write the directive? Angle bracket percentage, angle bracket percentage at the rate, and after at the rate we can specify the directives name. We can specify the directive names and then you can close. But if you want to use action tag in GSP, what is the syntax for using the action tags in GSP? If you want to use action tags, angle bracket, for action tag write the GSP colon. After GSP colon you write the action tag name. Write the action tag name. Action tag name. And this is the opening action tag. You can close here also. If you not close here, self closing, you can provide the body also action tag. You can opening and closing also. So action tag, how we can specify? Angle bracket GSP colon. After GSP colon you can specify the action tag name. So here first of all we are discussing action tag GSP colon use bin tag. Which tag we are going for discussing? GSP colon use bin tag. So what is the use bin tag? Actually use bin tag is used to eliminating the Java code into the GSP file. Suppose I have one bin. What is the bin? Bin a simple Java class. We can say bin is a software reusable component which having zero parameterized constructor and having getter and setter for accessing the bin properties. So to access the bin properties into GSP file, we can use bin. So we can use this tag to make bin functionality available to the GSP. These are two forms. So how we can use bins? GSP colon use bin, and then specify the ID. What the ID? ID means suppose I have one bin, student bin. So how we can create the student class object? Student s equal to new student. Now you can access the student property with the help of s reference variable. But if you want to use these things in GSP, you can use by using use bin tag GSP colon write the use. We want to use bin. Which bin you want to use? First attribute of the bin is the ID. In the ID attribute specify the bin reference variable name. So here what is the bin reference variable name? This is the s bin reference variable name. This is the s bin reference variable name. So same reference variable, that this reference variable s, it means ID refers the bin reference variable name. So this reference variable I want to use for which bin? For this we have one more attribute, class attribute, and within a class attribute we are required to specify the bin class name.